guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so happy to have every single one of you here. Today I am here to share my January 2022 IPSY Glam bag. A little bit about this bag before we get started. I will link the information for IPSY down below. There are three different... Sorry, I have a purple finger from another video that I just did. There are three different levels to this bag is what I'm trying to say as I get distracted by my purple finger. I will link them all down below so you can go and check them out. I do get the IPSY Glam bag. This is $13 a month. It is a monthly subscription which you can cancel at any time. And you usually get, I want to say 5 to 6 sample to full-size items. All right, let me get my glasses on so I can read about this with you. Now, I did take a quick peek in the bag because I'm expecting a few different things from IPSY. And this one doesn't quite make sense to me. I've watched several other YouTubers unbox their January bag, and they got this really cute little pink tie-dye, pink and blue tie-dye style bag. I got this. This is some serious freaking bling. I mean, I'm not upset. I just don't understand why mine's different than everybody else's, but that's okay. So we have this very, very, very silver, very shiny little bag. It does have a little IPSY bow on the top of it, and then it's got the silver zipper with the green backing. I did have a couple products on the outside of it, which I will share with you in just a minute. And this is what the inside of our bag looks like. I did take the card out. For January 2022, the theme is Happy Vibes. This month and year, make time for the things that make you smile. And here is what that card looks like. And then on the inside, it lists each of our products. It tells you a little bit about them. I did get to pick one product this month, and I can't remember what it is. Maybe I'll remember when I pull it out of the bag, but there's a good chance I won't, so don't be too surprised. Okay, the first thing that we have is this Police Ageless Glow BB Cream Serum. This has SPF 40 in it. This might be what I picked. This is 0.24 ounces or 7 milliliters, and it is in the shade Light. The MSRP for this full-size product, which is 40 milliliters as opposed to the 7, is $38. And it says, this multitasking BB cream is made for hectic mornings. The lightweight formula blends like a dream, protects skin with SPF 40, and helps cover everything from dark spots to redness. Plus, it's infused with skin-loving ingredients like bakushio. Oh my gosh, I'll put that word down at the bottom of the screen because I'm sure I butchered it. Vitamin C and plant that's very important in any skincare product. I'm trying to say plant-based collagen. So very excited to have that one for sure. The next item that we have is by Goldfaden MD. It's called Light Treatment, and it is the dark spot corrector. And this is the item that I picked. I remember now because I get these spots right here on my cheeks that I really want to see if I can get rid of. So yeah, happy to have that. This is 10 milliliters. Let's check the price on this one. Goldfaden MD Light Treatment Dark Spot Corrector, 30 milliliters is normally $80. So yeah, really happy to be able to get this in my IPSY bag so I can give it a try. Because that's a lot of money that I'm not sure I want to spend. If it works really good though, it might be worth it. Next we have Herb Black Tea Peeling Gel Mild Black Tea. It is soft peeling, clears and smooth skin, 20% cellulose and glycerin. And then it's got Camellia sinensis leaf extract. All right, that's a whole lot of words just to tell you that you got a peeling mask. Mild black tea, and this is 20 milliliters. So let's read about this one. Herb Black Tea Peeling Gel. Massage a small amount into clean, dry skin for 30 seconds and then gently rinse. I like those. Those are really good at exfoliating and just giving your skin a nice glow. So the full size of this is 100 milliliters and it has a $25 value. Those are super nice just to stick in the shower and give your skin a good exfoliation before you wash. Very nice. Oh, good. I was hoping I would get this one. And this is the cutest little teeny tiny Tart Ultra Creamy Shape Tape. And it is just a concealer. I don't even know if I can bring myself to use this. Isn't that the cutest little thing you've ever seen? It's probably about 1.5 inches tall. Absolutely adorable. All right, this shade is 205 Light Sand, and it is 0.5 milliliters. Full size is going to be 10 milliliters. It's a $29 value. Dot concealer under your eyes and blend out with a makeup sponge. Awesome. So I don't know if I can use that. I'm sure I can. I was just digging through my concealers today, and I need to start a new one. So that's probably going to be next on my list just because I love it. And then the last item in our IPSY Glam bag would be these, what I'm assuming are face masks. This might have been one that I got to pick too. Maybe we picked 2 items. I'm not sure. The first one is the hyaluronic acid sheet mask. This is by the Same, S-A-E-M. Right here's the name. And it looks like it is Korean skincare because all of the instructions on the back are in another language. And I am not disappointed in that. And then the next one is a multivitamin mask sheet. And it is by the same company. Kind of hard to read with the white print, but that's okay. It is what it is. Let's read about these. The same Biosolution Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid and Radiance Multivitamin Mask Duo. The MSRP is $3 per mask. It says the sheet mask duo has got all your winter skincare needs covered. Use the Biosolution Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid sheet mask when you're in need of an instant hydration, and the multivitamin essence mask when your skin is feeling dull, tired, or stressed out. Very cool. All right, guys, that is everything that I got in my January 2022. I hope I didn't say 21 at the beginning of the video. If I did, bear with me. I got to get used to the whole 2022 thing. But anyways, I was trying to say that's everything that I got in my January IPSY Glam bag. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite product was. If you haven't already, if you give this video a thumbs up, I would truly appreciate it. It really helps to let YouTube know that you guys are enjoying my content and encourages them to promote my videos so we can keep on growing our fantastic YouTube family. Speaking of YouTube family, guys, if you're not a member of mine, I would love the opportunity to get to know you better. Please consider hitting that subscribe button down in the corner. And until next time, guys, keep smiling. Bye.